Hello my darling Fumi Nation, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Fumi Desalu-Vold, and as you can see, we have what? We have a lookbook. Yes, let's go out again, let's have fun. So this book is kind of that. I want to go out, I want to have fun with my girlfriends, and I don't want to spend a bunch of change. So this top I'm wearing is from Zara. Yep, Zara. And then the pants are from Hanifa. And it's got that feather detail all the way down. Girlfriend has lost some weight. Well, I gained some. And then I lost some. So I lost some weight and I thought, you know what? Why not get slinky dinky? And I wanted you guys to know that you don't have to be any size to wear and feel fabulous. That's the word, feel fabulous. I'm like a size 12 here, and usually I'm a 6. But then again, I'm celebrating my life. So it is what it is. Eat your dinners. Yes. Go out, have your drinks, have fun, and completely and totally live your life. No, I did not get a BBL. That's all mine. I love this outfit. So simple, so gorge, and I loved again the feather detail in the trouser, which I thought was really nice. You can cinch it in with a waist, and I just used a black scarf, and that was it. I live for this outfit. You know what? That is what it is. Dance, and celebrate your life, because you only have one. Okay, may we all age gracefully and be very, very old in times like this. Celebrate your life 110%. Yeah. Do we love, darlings? Do we love? Alrighty, so what was that? That was look 1. This, my darlings, is my James Bond look. If I was a James Bond girl, this is what I would wear. The top was a snatcher loops. Oh, I couldn't believe it. Do you remember last week or the week before when Christina and I went window shopping and I was taking you around? I found this top in H&M. Unbelievable but true. On top of which, it was on the sales rack. This very top. It opens up at the shoulder. It is so beautiful, it's so soft, it's not itchy, and there's complete lining all the way through. This just reminded me of Balmain. I was like, oh, it was all Balmain for me, and I got this, darlings, at H&M. Absolutely gorgeous. You should see it in real life and see the reflex. Skirt is Zara. I've worn it before. I love it. I would wear this out. I would really just be ready for the night. After almost 2 years in lockdown, I just need to step out. And this for me is easy, it's fun, and it's just so glitz, it's so glam. It's also Christmas. You can have this for your ultimate Christmas, and you have that feather detail on your heel. You can wear any kind of shoes. Yep, it is what it is. Is this not gorgeous? This is my favorite look of the 3 that I have for you today. It just sent me to places that I, kind of sort of forgot. I said, you know what, Foams, this is fabulous. Do we love, darlings? Do we love? I adore this. I adore this so very much. I was looking for a dress, something that was just a little bit more exciting, and Zara had it. It kind of falls at the tummy. It looks like your tummy is coming down, but it's not. It's because it's kind of ruched in front, just the way you see the ruching in the back. Beautiful. It is a dress, and it has straps that you put on first before you put the overlay on top, and it holds so well, completely backless. Like you totally need push-up tape, and I've talked about it a million times. You know how much I love my push-up tape. My discount code Fumi, and just look at it. Just look at how gorgeous this dress is. I love it. From Zara. Zara. I think it's still there, as a matter of fact. The heels are YSL. Was nice to wear heels again. Ula actually chose this because there were little light flowers in the dress, and it started raining, and I was like, you know what, fools, is this not fabulous? Isn't it fabulous? Just celebrate nature. It rains a lot in London, but am I complaining? No, I'm embracing it all. So these were the 3 looks. You want to go out, you want to party, you want to have fun, honey, get ready, baby. And it's all on a budget. You don't have to spend too much money. I'm that girl where, you know, spend money on your accessories, but when it comes to clothes, when I tell you, high street fashion has got it. Yes, they do. And this absolutely is one of my all-time favorite dresses ever. So I hope you enjoyed the lookbook, my darlings. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and leave all of your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Yeah. Love you. Mwah.